answer, this is the three kind of facts. Number one is facts about face mask and alcohol. The virus can transmit to us. If you use face mask and alcohol, you cannot easily affected. Because alcohol and face mask is number one medicine in corona. If the all people with face mask and alcohol user is super safety. Because if all people have this medicine in your body, the virus can transmit to us. If you don't use alcohol or face mask, you can easily get the virus. Because you don't have any protection in your body. The face mask is very important inside your house. Because face mask is very good protection inside your house. Face mask don't work. Because wearing a face mask is certainly not an ironclad guarantee that you won't get sick. Viruses can also transmit through the ice, and tiny viral particles known as aerosols can penetrate masks. However, masks are effective at capturing droplets, which is a main transmission route of coronavirus, and some studies have estimated a roughly 5-fold protection versus no barrier alone. Others have found lower level of effectiveness. Alcohol is protect yourself into virus, but not 100% protected because alcohol is just an alcohol. This is the three kinds of alcohol. Methyl is also called methacol and wood alcohol. Uses primarily used as industrial such as fuel and cleanser. Production by hydrogenation of carbon dioxide. Not recommended to coronavirus. And the next alcohol is ethyl. Recommended to coronavirus. Ethyl alcohol, sometimes called as grain alcohol in beverage. Uses for alcoholic beverage. Next is isopropyl. Isopropyl is the recommended in coronavirus to protect their body. Isopropyl alcohol, also called isopropanol or rubbing alcohol. Alcohol is sub 70% to protect yourself. Because this medicine is for hands and body. Face mask is not very protected because the virus is also have the possibility to enter to your eyes. The next one is claim of value. The first is alcohol is needed to protect yourself because alcohol is sub 70% to protect your body. Face mask is like good because face mask is not very protected because virus can enter into your eyes. Two medicine that you need right now. The two medicine is need right now. Coronavirus is spread in India with 29 positive cases of being reported so far in the country. People are rushing to medical stores to buy face masks and hand sanitizer. As a result, the demand for protective masks and sanitizer has gone up significantly and the price have shot up multiple times. Wearing surgery mask is to prevent infection is popular in many countries, most notably in China, where memories of SARS have helped fuel anxiety over the new coronavirus. N95 face mask is good to use pretend coronavirus. Experts don't yet know exactly how the virus is transmitted to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention is recommending that healthcare workers treat it like an airborne pathogen Patagon. Germs that can travel in particles or droplets in the air. That means healthcare workers interacting with a coronavirus patient should wear a heavy-duty mask called an N95 face mask. Respirator. These respirators are designed to fit tightly around the nose and mouth, and when worn correctly block out at least 95% of small airborne particles according to the CDC. Methyl alcohol is good or not? No, because methyl alcohol are also called methanol and wood alcohol. Primary use and industrial such as fuel and cleanser. By production is by hydrogenation of carbon monoxide. The next is ethyl alcohol is good or not. Ethyl alcohol is good because ethyl alcohol, sometimes called as grain alcohol in beverage, for uses for alcoholic beverage production, fermenting fruits or grains, anything with a high starch content. Next is isopropyl alcohol is good or not? Yes, it's recommended to use because isopropyl alcohol, also called isopropanol to propanol or rubbing alcohol, commonly used by physicians for surface tools and human bodies for its disinfecting and sterilizing properties. Production is by combining water and propylene in hydration reaction. If you don't use alcohol and face mask, the virus is easily entered to your body. Next one is the claim of policy. The first one is, if you should buy alcohol in groceries, 1 or 2 only. If you should buy face mask 2 or more because after you use the one is dirty, you need to change it and buy again and again. If face mask and alcohol is available in drugstore, the coronavirus should be done. Or using alcohol are get you safe in coronavirus. Or using face mask inside your house, you get 80% safe in coronavirus. If all drugstore have face mask and alcohol, all people should be safe. The coronavirus should be done if all people is using alcohol and face mask. You have 100% safe if you should be done using alcohol every day, every night, every second of your life. You should make your own face mask if no have face mask in other store. The face mask and alcohol are get you safe 99% in coronavirus, and get coronavirus should be done. And this is the 3 kinds of claim of policy. Bye.